Hello, good day, everyone. It's me, your friend, your sister, your only one, Mommy Julia TV. How are you? I hope all of you are safe. I hope all of you take good care of yourself. Okay, let me use opportunity to thank those who have already subscribed in my YouTube channel. God bless you. Without you people, there will be no me. Okay, and my new subscriber, God bless you too. Those of you that have not subscribed, please, after finish this today topic, please try and subscribe for me. As you do that, stay blessed in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, oh, now well done, my personal people. Hey, I love una, eh? As una they love me, as una they protect my YouTube, as una they make me they grow. Now so God will make una grow. God will never let anything to lack in you people house in your life in Jesus' name. Okay, today topic, I get one topic, one fine topic, sweet topic. Why you see bring? You know, say my topic and alele. I where now Regina that would they bring on here. So I want to talk about patience. Patience say how you will take get patient for many things what would they do. You know, say this life, if you not get patient, no be say me too know too much. Oh, now small when I know, now I want come talk. I feel they talk and say I'm not perfect. Me, I see they learn. As I they learn for people, I will see use that thought, see bring and come my own. As I, you know, see if you go church now, you learn more things. You anything what you they do, you every day with they learn. You understand? So more you learn, more better for you. If you think what you do last year now, you're the shame to talk am. If you think what you do last 2 years, you say, "Na me you see do this one." You're the shame to talk and you say, "Oh God, which time me to do this one? Waiting enter me why I see talk this one." You understand? So now because they learn every day. Today I want to talk about patience. It's good to have patience. Now patience now be the key of anything where you want, do anything of success, anything where you want good for life. Now patience. If you dare work, get patience. Get patient for that work. Get patient for with your compañero de trabajo. Get patient with your, as I talk am for English, with your co-workers. See, it don't I speak Agboza. Get patient with your co-workers. Get patient with your oga for work. Try and learn how to get patient. If you not get patient, build am. Try to the learner now for your house. Try, and patient is very good in matrimonial. Patience can build your matrimonial. Patience can build you with your friends. You understand? It's good to have patience. Not let nervous make you go dey talk with you not supposed make you talk. Not let nervous make you come be say, not be so you be before the nervous, you not feel the control because you don't get patience. Get patient for husband. Get the day where your husband whoa, you get patient, they look at. You're bearer. I say, okay. Now so the thing be okay, no problem, no problem. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Before you talk, it's okay, reach 5 times. The best way they talk to you will rest. You say I don't hear you, it's okay. What did they call that one? A patient you get. You understand? Now patient I be that one. If you see they work, you get the day when I go work. That I never born my first speaking. Work when I they work. That work, eh? Not be now. I can't they work, how they go. I can't they walk and they go. Mostly that time, if they see black, don't want me they use anyhow. Not be one day, the thing you enter my head, boy, I don't get patient, I don't cry alone. If I they walk and wait till they will do me, I not like her. I got to cry alone, you understand? So, get one day, oh, the woman just see come again. I don't know what you if I get patient, follow that people, I for no way I don't do for that working. So, may I talk the story finish? The woman come again, beg. That I see young, and I don't get patient. I just said, no, you the Chris? I asked the woman, say, you the mad? You the Chris? He said, now I say, Can't you be this one? Every day. Now let me want you to come to disturb. You don't disturb the rest people like you. He said, na me be madam. That's which kind madam you be. He said, I go follow and go meet director today. And I said, shut up. Who's director? Director too small for me for you to call. Go and call me Goda CV. Go and call me what you like. Call me president. My nephew's no boss. Every hotel, all of them, they watch me. Not be small to you, I tell you now. 15 years ago, I say I know they do again. Today, before I come out, I must deal with you today. Me know you come on like that, go bear the nervous alone. Now I say I go deal with you today. Eh? If you see black, you they run. The woman say, now me, they don't ask if you near me, the woman run. The woman go down. The really oga call me. Now I say I know they come. They call me with phone. Now I say I know they come. If I finish my work, you can talk to me. Oh God. Don't be smart here. Don't be saying no. This the way that they talk say now lie. It happen for big hotels. 5 straight and out for the work. That's how I know they do a guy be around 8 months. I don't feel be again. Now 1 year contract again. I don't feel be again. The team boss. I shout for the woman. The guy called me from phone. I said I know they come. He said now say you know what? Wait for me. I finish my work because this work now me also finish her. For me to delay me, una not come help me, make me finish her. Then you go tell me what you want to tell me. If not go, I go. I finish my work. Everybody they come. Oh, Ibo, Julie, what happen? I know my day because the nephew see me. I go use I look there like this. Won't go down. When I be one, all of them run. As I read down, the yoga carry me go office. He started to speak what they speak. Then I said, you know what the woman do me? He said, me spoil am for chatting. Nah, the woman right. Now me come wrong. You see, say patient is very important. He said before, now me you're right for everything when I talk now. Are you right? I'll for come down, come report for the real yoga. Say, please, oh, I want to talk to you. These people, when they will follow you, see as they do me. He said, then he will look into it. He said, me, I can't go shout. Me no say na tourist. Me no say here, person they come, they relax. Na tourist. People come to enjoy themselves. They don't come me, they can't see my drama. They can't see me. I said, this place I go beat you today if you near me. He said, not there for spoiler. He said, no problem. Now I said, no problem. Me, they go as. He said, no, you can't go. If you say you know they do again, now we not go pay you. Finish your contract 1 year. We don't want you here again. I say, my clear. My clear. That devil way they use my enemy. He can't leave me for wala. But I say, he can't leave me for wala. Me let me want be the wala. Now so I go quiet too. Everybody call they ask me, say I wrong. I for not shout. If they see my shouting today, I say, don't be small to you. The woman can't fear me, they can't change another person, may they follow me till my contract finish. All my mates move gather start there. They give the permanent work. My own. I go start for another place. I can't learn. For that thing what happened to me, I can't learn for the other place. Another place when I go. Can't go work as they go do rich. If I see Sanovi bearers, that man tell me, I can't they go the report, say, see. Did you come they work for me? The woman go tell me, say, man, don't worry, he will talk to them. If I don't like the person, you know, tell me, follow me, again, go send another person for me. You see, say, waiting patient, impatient do for me for them. Make me lose better job when I get. It make me lose. It's good to have patience. It's good to relax. If something happen, think about it 2 times. Relax, think about it, and don't lose nervous. Not appear there nervous. Not appear there to nervous. You understand? Don't lose your nervous. Don't lose it. Hold it to yourself. Because that thing be not reach me, do because I don't do beer. And the beer and when you know, so when you dey quiet, the keep up a side mind, you dey swallow, you dey swallow, you dey swallow. The day when you will explode there, don't be smart to you. So if something like that happen in your matrimonial, in your work, with your friends, think about it. If you know you can't take it now, shut up your mouth. If you say na a friend, as me they do, if you say na friend, I don't feel better. Man, I not gonna lose my nervous. Man, I not gonna talk with you. I gonna regret tomorrow. I better block you, or I not go pick your call again. So that me will not go insult each other. Me will not go talk what you will not suppose me will talk. That will not be hateness. You understand? Now matrimony you see be. No talk. If you want come out, you come out, go take stroke, come back. If you see the nervous, quiet, go sleep. No talk, no lose your nervous, which is very bad. Patience, it's good to have patience. This topic when I talk to the 2 things 9 days time. Don't lose your nervous and have patience. With your children, not lose your nervous. Your children, they do something. Use that. Children, they use that talk to them. My own, I tell they talk to them. If I look at the picking, go they ask me, say, what do you do me? Now they look, I look at. He go, they ask me, say, what do you do me? Me not go talk again. How they look at. Because inside me, they do me, I deal with her. But how you look at kind. Oh, God. I can't do the analysis. Oh, God. Man, not going to use my nephew killer. No, say some people, they use their nephew kill their children. You go beat them for what you're not supposed to beat them. I see tell another one I remember. Hey, don't be smarty. Many people will learn with this my topic today. Another one when I remember. Tell when I did small picking. Because my papa train us as a man. Your trainer say anything where you give me, I fit do one. Some people say this woman too like money. No, I have that power. I not be person with fit stay one place. I get that power to do everything. I can do 5 things at a time. I can do 5 work at a time if the time permits me. You understand? If I close for one, the time if I close one, in that time there I will do it. I will do it too. For me, I get thank God for that grace, that power that way give me. I don't fit stay as. If I stay as, I will keep person. I better talk. If I stay as, money no they enter that my account. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know how some people they feel they stay house. Eh? You understand? I don't know. So the time when I did small picking, so I did 7 years old, start to cook with my senior sister. So my papa my father a wicked somebody. As I'll tell you, a wicked somebody I be. My papa too they provoke every time. So my mama they sell for market. My papa see they go your own work. So my papa, they agree me my mama they come house for night, come they cook. So this mama and at night customer they come from evening, not be night, evening. My man a person where he go buy farm of orange, farm of pear, farm of corn. They buy one bag. They go buy go your price farm. Pluck everything, leave the farm for the person again. You understand? So my man at that time, so people come they count for my man. And at that night, and people they come out from 5 o'clock. And my papa want me, mama, you're there at 6 o'clock. You understand? Mama can't give you friends say, I bet me they sell them, but they go as some men, that's so they be. So mama for that one, mama can teach us how to cook. You go put salt for one place, you go put maggi for one place, you go put pepper for one place, you go tell us the cup of water we go put, you go tell you as you take do this or this, all of them will come inside together. I go say, no put more that salt, no put more maggi, no put any pepper. If I come, I will test it. Boy, this thing, you will check out whether it done. By time like this, you hear what I thought, we hear. The water will take boil this thing, then you take cook. I'm not put more maggi. If I come, I will check. We can't do it. We can't learn how to cook. The mama your contest and you saw not go catch and put small. Cooking woman put her for small pot for my pa. Oh yeah, my mama go sit down. Go put wrapper. Don't bath. Go put powder. Don't bath. So my pa say daughter wait corner where they cook. Now we they run her. Which is very very good. I bless my mother for showing us from 7 years, showing us how to cook. That make me, you see me, say I'm a very, very strong woman. That's all the thing be. So, and one day now, our mama, my pa's sister, can't drop a picky for our house. Now this nervous I see the talk. He can't drop picky for our house. As he drop picky for our house, he say they come, we leave he picking for our house. So I said they cook, the boy they cry. The boy can't cry. Get some children. Before you touch it, I don't feel bear that type of up till now. I don't feel the bear and children where they cry. No, 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 no. Thank God say no give me that kind of thing. I dey cook, I'll go wash am. Wetin dey worry you? You go say this one, take it, this thing. Now you dey cry. Or no, that one, that day, the wood wey I dey use, e no gree on. E be like say red bitter. I don't forget to remove am. I blow my eye dey red. The boy just dey cry. So I just remove my, I just come out. I just say my, I just give am. Wozo, the boy fall for ground. Whoa! Small slap. As the boy fall for ground, he come dey stretch. Hey, I shout, neighbor. You know, say for Nigeria, neighbor they fall everywhere. They say Stevie, or I don't know what they do. They rush am. They say na confusion they call it. Not because confusion. I don't know that confusion. Where they shake. They say na he carry and they come put it left for fire. Come they put pepper for nyash. What they do? They beat me as they do. Hey, what do you do? Where are you beat am? Why you do this one? I say I push am. I don't know. I slap I give am the pikin your for. Hey, they do the 1 hour before this pikin call shout. They put spoon for him mouth before the pikin call cry. Whoa! People call tell me say I be donkey person. He's there. I don't they beat anybody. People they say, Mama find out. As you you they beat. I know they beat you. Real. I know they beat. I will punish you for me to beat you. See that day, if you do me something when I did small picking, if I say I don't follow you, I don't follow you. If I say I don't do anything, I don't follow. I'm not going to touch anybody. Me where evil grows, I don't never fight before. I know they fight. Say you can't stay for road, we can't fight. Big, never happen for you. Now make me see my body, no pitch. No tea. I know they see it's there. That small picking. 7 years now I learn. I'm not gonna touch anybody again. I know they do. If they touch me, I go tell the mama. I be don't keep person. Nervous, be don't make me keep person. No patient, because they cry. I not say my no talk. Come away. So some people, because of say they nervous, they not get patient, they keep person because of that one. They destroy their matrimonial because of that. So I use this opportunity to tell you people, you should have patience in anything you are doing, in your husband, in your matrimonial, in your children, in brothers and sisters, have patience. If you know you can't talk, don't talk to anybody so that you don't lose respect. If you see, say you get problem, you see, say you not feel better, off your phone, or don't talk to anybody anymore. That's how they do my own. I don't fit. Then you can see, say, wait till I talk. They say, wait till they say this, your mouth is like egg. If you don't blow, go. You don't feel put again. So the best thing, protect yourself so that you don't have bad name. Protect yourself so that you will not have that bad spirit. That bad spirit will not be using you anyhow. You understand? Learn how to control your feelings. Learn how to control your nerves. Okay? God bless you all. Stay blessed. Please, after watching this, my topic, please try and subscribe for me. God bless you. I love you. Or give me thumbs up. When I forget to give me thumbs up. Thumbs up like this. That hand will be like this. When I give a thumb. Then he say, Mama Fana, you try. Mommy Julia TV, you try. You understand? Please, you should do it for me. As you do that, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.